Are you ready to play in the dirt? Hello and happy Sunday. Today it's Saturday. It is a very warm afternoon. There is a little bit of a breeze here in South Florida. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at what I've been doing all week. On Monday, I went ahead and I did some planting of some seeds. So let's go ahead and take a look at the seeds that I planted here. You can see that I have planted kind of the things that I had already planted that were doing well. So I wanted to see, being in a new location, if they did as well in the old location. So I'm excited to see what's happening with those. I'm going to take a look today and see if any of them have sprouted. I also on Monday could not wait, and I had to reach in and grab out one potato. Here's a picture of what I got, and here's a picture of what I made with it. So on Wednesday, I went to go see the Onward movie from Disney, which I thought was really good. And on Thursday, I went ahead and I did the harvesting of the potatoes. So let's just take a moment and I'll insert that right here. Let's see. I had this all nice and dried out, and then I think it rained last night. A potato. I got the potato. I got potatoes. I got potatoes. Tiny, tiny baby one. Check it out, people. Check it out. Potatoes. So I've really been enjoying my potatoes. I'll insert some pictures here of some of the different things that I've made with it. I made some just plain mashed potatoes last night. The night before that I threw some peppers and some garlic in, and these particular potatoes do really well as a mashed potato. The roasted potato was also good too. So I'm excited to have some more potatoes to play around with. So later on, when I make some different recipes, I'll insert some pictures in there and share that with you. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and take a look at what my garden looks like now. Alright, so here is my tomato wall. I have not tied any of the tomato plants to the fence yet. They're still growing nice and strong. Some of the marigolds are doing better than the others, but they all have new flowers on them, so I think that they will all go ahead and come back from there. Everything else pretty much looks the same here. I haven't planted anything in my buckets yet. I had planted some flower seeds in the little thing, but none of them have sprouted yet, and I don't think they will. They were some of the same old flowers that I had tried before that didn't work. So a little bit of my throwaway garden is kind of working. We won't necessarily see what the cauliflower flowers are going to do because somebody came and ate them, but the point is that they ate that and not out of my own garden, so that makes me happy. The lemon balm is going to need some trimming. You can see how I've got different shoots now that are all of a sudden coming up with lots of little leaves. Some of my leaves are turning purple, so I'm going to come out here and give this thing a good chop, and because it's got plenty of growth inside there that needs to come out. So I'll be doing that this week, some things that will keep me busy. I also went and bought some more puzzles today, so that'll keep us busy also for the next couple weeks. Carrots are still growing. I'm giving them some more time. I did test them again, and they're still a little small. As I go into the grocery stores today, and all of the shelves are empty, not just of toilet paper, but of food now at this point. So I'm extremely happy to have my kale and my spinach growing and my lettuce, and it is doing very well. The vertical garden has produced some tomatoes. I have continued to water it every day, but it's just not producing like I thought that it should. So I'm probably going to do a little wrap-up video on just that and show it along the way. So that'll be fun. These tomatoes have lots of yellow flowers on them, so I'm very happy about that. The peppers look like they might be getting eaten again, so that's a continual battle. And otherwise, I have lots and lots of green tomatoes waiting for them to turn red. Yeah, so that's it. Great. So I want to thank everybody for joining me this week and seeing all the things that I did in my garden. I hope you come back and join me again next week. I will try to be very productive this week as there's not much else going on and not many other places to go or see. And I hope that everybody stays well out there. I hope that everybody stays calm. I hope that everybody takes this opportunity to just try to relax and enjoy the days as they go by. We'll see you real soon. And you're looking right at me. You know I'm coming for you. I gotta come slow to keep the camera steady. Stay out of my buckets. Go eat the trash I just put out for you. Lots of goodies. A whole bowl of pasta salad.